Good morning.
Hey, good morning, everybody. So, yeah, we just did our first overnight on the new boat.
It wasn't that bad.
Way better than, way better than the Catalina.
That's an understatement.
So, we just got up. That was a good night, right?
Yeah.
Well,
I made breakfast.
we didn't even think about recording that, but
Yeah.
she made a good breakfast on the stove. We'll have to get that next time. I just got all the shore power disconnected. We got our sail opened up, our sail pack. Got all the halyards rigged up and all that good stuff. So we're just about ready to push off from the dock.
Yeah. Tide's coming in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and have a nice day.
Can't wait. Where are we going exactly?
It might take a ride to Miami.
Okay.
So
That'll be fun.
if not, we'll go and motor around the intercoastal, but I really want to go sailing. I think the wind is calling for 10 to 15 miles an hour right out of the east, which makes it perfect for going north and south down the coast of Florida.
Awesome.
So, yeah, well, you should have a good day.
Let's do it.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh.
This yacht looks like Kenny Chesney's yacht, but we looked it up. It's a different model, so it's not him. Damn. So we know Kenny Chesney is self-isolating on his yacht somewhere in the south.
Looks like there might be a cruise ship or two in port up there. Looks like maybe Princess Cruises. I don't know. Oh yeah, it is definitely Princess. Check it out.
Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey,
It doesn't feel like there's much wind out there at all. So I guess we'll find out once we get out there.
unless we try, unless we try. Wanna get in close with you.
It's boatpics.net or .com or something like that. They fly that little helicopter, you know, just a few feet off your boat, film you. You can find it online with your registration numbers.
Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna move.
The water is just, I don't have any words. It's like crystal clear. The seas are so calm, like not even 1 foot waves. Can you see the bottom?
Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my arms down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my arms down. We'll never fly.
This is absolutely beautiful out here. The water is crystal clear blue. You can see right to the bottom. Absolutely amazing. It's still early in the morning. It's right around 10 a.m. We got a nice early start this morning. The wind really hasn't picked up yet, but they're calling for 10 to 15, so we're gonna motor here for a little bit until the wind just barely picks up. Then we're gonna kill the motor and I think we're gonna sail to Miami today. Should be, we get a little wind, shouldn't take more than 4 or 5 hours.
I put my roots in it down, down. Baby wanna put, I put my roots in it down, down.
There's absolutely like zero wind, so we're gonna follow suit with all these other boats and just tie up to a mooring ball right off of Hollywood Beach and just take a dip. Too cold?
Oh, it's chilly. So the wind picked up a bit. We're sailing.
Ooh, we're heeling. 5 knots, babe. That mega yacht out there just hauling ass.
Oh, that's got a rooster tail like crazy. That's you know, gallons per quarter mile right there. Something that big. Holy moly. We got a visitor. Just flew down in the companionway here. Hi there. He's not scared.
Not scared?
No. Hi there. Where'd you go? Come on. No, I'm there. Yeah. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
There we go.
you had him on your hand?
Yeah.
Oh. Made it to Hollywood. I can't wait till they open the beaches back up. Hopefully soon. Everywhere else in Florida gets to open up, but we don't. Thank God for this boat. Right? It's so nice out today.
7.7, baby. 7.4 now. Yeah, we got the wind really piped up today. And yeah, we're moving. We're heeling a bit, but
A bit.
yeah.
The fenders are touching the water.
Yeah.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me.
My phone got wet and broke, so we decided to go ahead and turn back around and head back towards Fort Lauderdale. We were going to go and make a big loop through Miami, but kind of change of plans. We don't want to get caught out. There's supposed to be a storm coming through tonight sometime, and it's you know, the wind's already picking up. You know, we're making good speed right now on the way back, 6 to 7 knots. So we're gonna go ahead and head back, cook some late lunch, early dinner.
Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now? So put your love on me now.
I see the Hard Rock all the way out there. It's crazy. It's like, I don't know, at least 10 miles away. When you get out here in the ocean, you can see everything I bet if they had binoculars out there, they could probably see us all the way out here.
The grass ain't greener on the other side. Need you to trust me.
Seas aren't so calm anymore now. 3:30 in the evening.
Trust me. That thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town is crazy, nobody cares like we do. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave you. Here we are lying under the stars.
The marine traffic today is insane in Fort Lauderdale. It's not going to be a good day to go out tomorrow, so I think everyone's taking it all in today.
Love on me now. So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to hold your heart. The world is numb, now let 'em dance. So why won't you? Why don't you put your love on me now? Put your love on me now. Put your love on me, darling.
Just missed it. I hit record too late. But this cop over here was on the loudspeakers saying, "Do not anchor at the sandbar." Now obviously he can't go over there because it's like only knee deep.
Alright guys, we went ahead and called it a day. We've come down here into downtown Fort Lauderdale at Esplanade Park and tossed our lines here for a minute while we're waiting on the tide to come back in. So it's low tide right now. So we're just gonna hang out here for a couple hours until we can get back to our dock. It's really tight. So nice little spot. If you remember our the Pirate Festival, this is where that was. What are you doing?
I'm burning meat.
Burning.
We need a new grill. This is low heat too. Chars it right up. I think it's cooked good. You hungry? I don't know. It's some meat we got from our butcher box. If you don't know what a butcher box is, it's a meat delivery service that sends yummy meat. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in that kind of thing. It's grass-fed. Selected. What's going on here?
No. I just took a shower, which is something I really couldn't do on the Catalina 22. And now I'm doing something else I really couldn't do. I rigged a hammock between the mast and the forestay, and I'm just hanging out.
Wow.
How does that sound?
The life, huh?
Where's my cocktail?
You want a cocktail too?
Oh yeah.
Wow. There's a rail car there.
Yeah.
Is that
You
the?
see that?
That's the rail car from the
Flagler, I think.
Flagler, yeah. What a gorgeous ending to an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon right next to it so you get notified the next time we post another great adventure.
See you on our next adventure.